Welcome to the DataLab video tutorials. This is part 1, a quick demo of the main features of DataLab. So DataLab is a free and open source platform for processing and visualizing 1D signals and 2D images. It is written in Python and based on scientific libraries such as NumPy, SciPy, scikit-image or OpenCV. And it also relies on PlotPyStack, which is based on Qt graphical user interfaces. So let's start with the demo now. In this tutorial we will go through the main features very quickly and do some basic signal and image processing. So let's start DataLab. So DataLab's main window is divided into two parts. The right part contains the data panels, one for each data type, signals and images. And the left part contains the visualization panels. And all the features that are presented in the menus and the toolbars are also synchronized with those panels. Everything that is loaded in DataLab, the whole workspace of signals and images, may be saved and loaded later using HDF5 files, which are very useful to save data and metadata. So to start working in a new dataset, let's create a new signal, for example, using this button. So when you create a new signal, you have a lot of properties to specify, like the type of the signal. So let's create a Gaussian, for example, then Lorentzian, and a void curve. Okay, so we have three signals, so those signals we can move them if we want inside this group. We can select the whole group to process it, or process the signals individually, like computing an FFT, for example. Or you can select the whole group and compute, for example, the derivative or the integral. And then we can move the signals from one group to another, like this, or using the arrows here. And we also have a lot of processing filters in three menus: operations, processing, and computing. So let's switch to the image panel and open a new image, this test image. So let's say we want to apply a morphological filter, but we don't know what would be the best for our image. So let's test all the morphological filters at once with a common parameter here. So we have all the results here, and to compare them more easily, we can reorganize the images, distribute them on a grid like this, with two rows, for example, and add the titles of the images, and, for example, select some of the images and adjust contrast to better compare the results, zoom in and move the images like we want. So that's it for this first overview, very quick, just to give you an overlook of what DataLab can do. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and see you soon.